Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In this video, today I'll be showing you how to remove users in Docusign. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser and type in docusign.com and then ensure that you're logged in or you sign up to Docusign. Now to sign up on Docusign, you need some documents to work with, such as your Gmail address, your phone number, and then the password you want to work with. Ensure you have all of this information to keep you straight logged in. All right, after doing that, you head over to your dashboard. This verifies that you've logged in and you've gone through all of the process of signing up. Now, what we want to do is learn how to remove user in DocuSign. Now, if you head over here at the top of my home page, you will see that I have the home button, I have agreements, I have templates, reports, and admin. Now, for the purpose of this video, I want to remove users, so that will be found on the administrative field, which is this particular button over here. So I'll click on that and it will take me to the admin field. Now, on the admin field, I would see a variety of options to work with, and then I'll decide to pick the one that concerns the purpose of this video. Now for this video, I want to remove users, so I will just have to search for users by the left corner, right on this menu bar over here. I just look for users, and as you can see, here is the option users under user and group. So this is user, so I'll just click on that right away, and then you will see that I will have the option to remove user. Now this is a particular user that I have worked with in previous documents. If I want to add new users, I'll just head over here to add, but this video entails removing user, so I'll head over to this corner over here where there is actions, click on that, and then the option to remove user would be here. So I'll just click on remove user, and that is how I can remove user in DocuSign. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening, and until the next one, bye for now.